Good morning. It is Friday and I am back. Yesterday I didn't do any filming. I had two jobs yesterday, just two driveways, but I was in a big hurry and left the camera in the office. And I was about 3 miles away, so I said, hell with it. We're just gonna not do a video today, but we are gonna do it today. So we're gonna be doing a house wash, then we're gonna do a U-turn, go right across the street and do a house wash and a pool cage. And I'm gonna do this little sample sidewalk on the gentleman's pavers, and I'll probably get the driveway too. So we'll see how that works out. The rig is ready to go. I got enough SH in here to knock these two jobs out, I do believe. And there's still a little bit left in this tank if I need some. There you have that. And then we have a full 7 gallons here, so we're good to go. That's enough to do plenty of work. And we're ready to go. The cooler's ready for hydration. Got some Powerades, got some water. And it's going to be a great day. We're going to stop at the gas station. Today it's going to be strictly pressure washing, so let's get after it. All right, here we are at job number 1. Got this house wash. We're going to review it here in a minute. Going to run the machine on 3/4 speed, so let's get that started. Helps if you hook it up first. Hey, we're priming it, sir. There you go. See that? Okay, let's have a look around. The driveway looks popping, huh? Look at that. No marks. Nice and clean. We were here last week and did the driveway. That house over there, that's where we're heading next. We're going to be doing the pool cage in the house. Well, let's look at this mold we have up here. Algae. Well, maybe it's moss. I don't know. Call it what you like, right? Look at this over here. Look at all that cleaned up to match this wonderful clean driveway and sidewalk. I gave the young man a sample right here last week, so that came out good. Okay, we're going to come around. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on that corner, going to SH all the way around here, then we're going to get out and hit the side of this pool cage right here. He asked if I can do the side of that. No problem. We'll get all this cleaned up, all SH all the way down, then we're going to rinse all the way back around. We'll head down the other side. Then I'll back the rig up a little bit onto the driveway so we can reel everything in. We'll be out of here. Go across the street, do a U-turn right there, and arrive at the next job. All right, let's get after it.
Long time ago, yeah. I should have quit, baby. Long time ago. Boy, you know I was fooling with you.
All right, let's take a quick look. Look how nice and bright that looks, huh? All the gutters are nice and clean. Let me grab the 3-legged monster. I'm gonna walk back. Anyway, look how nice and white the soffits are in the gutters. Got the pool cage that side done. Of course, the sidewalks already look good. All right, looks good. Remember that gutter? It was all green and moldy and dingy. Nice and clean now. All you gotta do, man, when you own your own home, you gotta do the maintenance. I go to some places and I'll tell you what, you wonder why they even buy a house, because they just let it go to smithereens, you know what I mean? All right, we're gonna clean the side pad over here, and always do the side pads. Make sure you do that. See that? grass buildup underneath the air conditioner. Get that out of there. Kind of a flat paint, so I don't think it needs a paint job. You can do the old hand test though. Your hand gets chalky, it needs paint. All right, I'm gonna come around here and get the back here and this side. So, what are we gonna do? Self-explanatory. Get after it.
In Mexico. If I follow, hey, my first smile. Oh, you know if I follow, oh, my first smile. You know, baby, I would have been gone since my second time, baby.
All right, that's a wrap. How nice and clean that came out. It was all moldy up there. These gutters were brown. I mean, they need a paint job, but they came clean. Windows are all clean. Soffits, fascia, everything looks good. Got the pad cleaned up. Around the AC. I'd like to give a shout out to my buddy Brad up in Ackworth. Good talking to you today, my friend. It's been a while. Hopefully I'll see you soon, man. All right, now, going over there to that greenhouse. The 3-car driveway and the pool cage in the back. Knock that out pretty quick as well. All right, let's get after it. Okay, job number 2. Boy, look at that place over there, man. I wonder who cleaned that. All right, this one's not too bad. It's just dingy. Needs a good refresher. They just moved in. As you can see, we got black algae up here on the gutters. You can see it up there on the soffits. Got some stuff down here on the wall. Might have to hit that with a little bit of pump up. We'll have to see. All right, and you can see how it's dingy right here. All right, this is the north side. You can see how it's all black up here. See that? It's real dirty, that's all. And then there's the pool cage. Pool cage hasn't been done in a while either. Let's take a look. Come in here and take a look at this. Got weeds in the pavers. We'll be using some turbo nozzle action. We got some mold everywhere. This is old. That's down to the paint, down to the aluminum. Paint's gone off of that. See that? Anyway. This on here good? Yep. All right. This will be looking nice. This done. The outside done. Here's where it's the worst, right here. All right, come down this way. Now this is a gutter that the homeowner was curious if I could actually get this clean. And of course we can. See that up there? It's all green and ugly looking. That'll actually turn out to be the best looking gutter in the place. It's been protected. We'll get this all cleaned up around here. All right. All right, we're gonna start out in the front. See these gutters? All right. All right, the only way to get started is to get after it, right? So we're gonna start right there on the corner of the front of the house. We're gonna come all the way around, get to the back, up to the pool cage, and then we're gonna rinse our way back. All right, so let's get after it. Okay, let's have a look at the SH. You can see all that white stuff is white now. Up there, all nice and clean. See that soffit and fascia up there? Really nice. The gutter looks good. This is all going to brighten up. All this stuff here will come right off. That'll come off. Everything's going to look good. We'll get the sidewalk cleaned up. All this is moldy. It's all gone, okay? Now, we have this kind of stuff here. So I'm going to hit that with the pump up real quick before I head down the side there. So I'll see you at down the side there, all right? Let's get after it. Let's take a quick look. Gutters are nice and bright. Just cleaned up real nice. I'm going to spray some straight stuff down here where this mold is right there. See it? Algae. Maybe it's moss. All right, all that green mold come off of there. But I'm going to take the pump up and hit it right there real quick. So let's go ahead and get that. That'll brighten it the rest of the way up. Get the rest of that algae off of there. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. And now for more of the satisfying rinse in the front. Place is looking good, man. This driveway's dirty, so once he sees how that walkway is, then I'll be doing the driveway. I'll just upsell it. We'll go ahead and have another job, all right? Got to be a salesman at these places. I was over there and did his driveway last week. Sold him the house wash for this morning, and this guy over here that I'm doing the job for now, he saw me over there working, so he flagged me down. That happens a lot. You get a lot of work that way. When they see the rig, they're like, man, I gotta hire that guy. Super Blast. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a look. You can tell big time difference in these pavers. Okay, you can see the difference. So he's probably going to get it cleaned up, and then he'll just seal it himself or not seal it. You don't have to seal the pavers if you don't want to. I mean, they're rocks. It just makes them look luxurious. Anyway, gonna do the side here. SH all the way down. You see that black stuff along the top edge there? That'll all be gone. Then we're gonna go on the pool cage, get the turbo tip, get all those weeds out of there, and then we'll get the cage done and we'll be out of here. All right, let's rock. Let's what? Let's get after it, baby.
My friend come from Mexico every year ago. I should've went on. Hey, when my friend come from Mexico every year, I was fooling with you, honey, yeah. Oh, down on that killing floor. I should've been gone before.
All right, let's check it out. The ceiling's gonna come out great. Was nice and moldy, now it's nice and white. It's like the cage is gonna be good. All that black stuff will come right off. Got some stubborn stuff over here, but it's dissipating. We'll let it soak while we go get the turbo tip. And see that stuff up there? That's pretty nasty stuff right there. All right, we'll let it sit. We'll hit it one more time. Then we're gonna go out and do some turbo tip action. Woohoo! And now for the satisfying runs.
Hello, I'm Bill Bailey, and I'm here with the band rehearsing for Sonosphere. And just to let you know, if Metallica can't make it for any reason, if Lars isn't there, we're ready. Ready? 3, 4.
Feeling pressure.
All right, let's have a look at the finished product. Look at those pavers, they look really good. Everything came out nice. The ceiling came out really good, looks great. Windows are clean, beautiful. Not bad for an old cage. It's got a lot of problems back here. It needs to be painted. Down the road, we'll have to get after it. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. That's going to be a wrap for today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. Ring the bell. Tell a friend. Tell your neighbors. Tell your moms. Moms always love clean. All right? Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday. And remember, always, always get after it. Okay, one more note. We will be back to clean the driveway. The sidewalk looks great. We're cleaning the sidewalk and driveway. Put it on the schedule for 2 weeks from now. All right, we'll be back. All right, let's get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
It's Mr. American.
Get after it! All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it! Hey, hey, hey! Puh! Pow! We're full SH and ready to rock! Let's get after it! What do you usually tell people when they're giving you a hard time? Shut up! Get after it! Yeah, you heard them. Shut up and get after it.